Alright, what's up everybody? 2 Ram Scrubs here. We got a different video for you today. Pretty excited. We got at least one guy's been waiting on this, so here you go, one guy.
Finally got a Dakota video.
Yeah, let me show them. This is what we got. We got some new taillights, new to me taillights.
Where did we get them? You gotta give them the back.
We got these at the junkyard looking for that shit box. So I just asked if they had a Dakota. They did. They had these taillights, but they were clear, champ, tinted them. We're throwing them on. Let's get to it. Just want to show them these.
So these are the stock taillights?
That's stock.
And these are the junkyard taillights?
These are the junkyard taillights.
Somehow you got lucky enough to find a junkyard Dakota?
Yeah. 1,000,001 of these trucks on the road, but you can't never find one at the junkyard.
But we did, and we got some goodies. Them Jones, how much they run you?
Oh, and his cap.
Oh yeah.
We found this. We took that. We gotta show him this. This is what I've been rocking for probably 2 years. You go into my gas cap. Looks like this. The Jones broke, but you kind of just turn it, and that's what I got.
That's a good gas cap, huh?
It's sharp as hell too, but what are you gonna do, right? This was free, wink wink. So I guess we'll just jump into it. Show you. Well, they already probably know, but got some junk back here.
Just a little bit of junk.
A little bit of junk ain't never hurt nobody. Man, I don't even know if I like these taillights. Yeah. So it's boom, boom, right there. And then you come over here. Just give it a yank till you hear plastic breaking. And then, yeah, we're right there. Disregard all of this.
Disregard what?
Disregard all of this. Disregard. Now, how the fuck do I get this gentle? I'm gonna break these. Are you gentle with these?
There you go.
I'm not talking about that.
At least you got, now you can remove the big part though. Now you have some spare bulbs.
Nah. Man, these Jones are disgusting. You didn't bring a flathead with you, did you? So now we just gotta carefully. Here, can you pull that with one hand? Just pull that a little bit. Pull it. Pull it. Alright. 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 Now pull this.
You pull it.
You gonna break it. You just broke it. You sack of shit.
That joint just fed. That part don't matter though.
Like they never left the factory. Alright, now we got these. Throw them up in there.
What's all this?
I mean, that's just some shit that, like,
who knows?
Like, don't matter, bro. Like,
last guy didn't know what he was doing.
So which one goes?
Get him in the sun so they can see the bullshit.
Oh, this?
Yeah, there you go. There's a good look at all that shit that's going on in the air.
Where's this tube go? Where's that supposed to go?
Yours don't have a tube?
This has a tube.
Is that drainage?
Oh yeah, I guess so. This one has a tube. Look.
Why you drain tubes? They just not built to be sealed, huh? There is no seal on them.
There is. It's in here though.
Yeah, but I'm saying like on the back, like.
What are you talking about?
How's water? They just expect water to get in there?
What are you talking about? This is if water was inside.
I know. How's water getting in?
Well, I don't know.
They had no faith from the factory. So
They said, man, these Jones.
By the way, we're not 100% sure. We don't know for sure that these taillights even work.
Yeah.
We just got them at the junkyard and
Took a shot.
shot in the dark, see what happens. Pizza guy. People hungry today.
Hungry.
What's this?
You tell them. Since you fed me.
So all those cuts in his taillight, we were trying to hook up a backup camera for his truck, but he doesn't have reverse lights. Something's broke. He doesn't know. Can't fix it. The fucking backup camera we never got to work, so
What are you gonna do, right?
we just Swiss cheesed his wires. Alright, so you got them all in?
I got those in. I'm just twisting and locking. Twisting and locking. I don't even know where my fucking keys are at.
It's a good time.
There we go.
Alright.
Is this the wrong one? This the wrong one. We got the right one this time.
There's no tape on this one.
No, I guess this. Ah.
Looks like it was glued.
It'd be fine. I need some tape. Fuck it. On there.
Got on?
I don't know. Maybe. I guess. Maybe it's just smaller. Cause now I got a bunch of dirt you can see. That means I gotta wash this bitch? Y'all got me confused. How's that jump look? Let me see. Back up on him. I mean, I guess it kinda does look better, huh?
Yeah.
I gotta see if they work. We got my key. Actually, here, you jump in there and hit the brake for me so I can see what they look like. No, just touch the brake. Got a problem.
What's the problem?
There you go, come on. Hit the brake again? Maybe it's just a little loose. Oh, there you go.
It working?
Yeah.
What's it look
They
like?
kind of look dumb, I won't lie to you.
Let me see. Go ahead.
Kinda dumb.
Yeah, in the daylight. Oh, when you get further back, it's not that bad.
Man, you can't tell when I'm on the brakes, huh?
Nah.
So we got them both on. That's when y'all saw we did this one off camera. Now I got fingerprints all over them and shit. But you wanna go hit the brake? There you go. Y'all can see that. But yeah, not too bad. I paid $30 for them at the junkyard, which for junkyard prices is, I mean, it's up there. But it's either that or never get new ones because they're like $1.50 for some decent ones.
Yeah.
So I'm not doing that. But we're gonna have to see. We'll rock them for a couple days, see what they look like at night and shit.
Mm-hmm.
See if they grow on me.
I mean, that one's in the sun, so but you can see this one a lot easier.
Yeah.
This one's real easy to see.
What
This
about
one,
staying here? There you go.
yeah, you can see that.
Doesn't help that we tinted them, huh?
Now throw it in reverse, and we'll see the reverse lights.
Ah.
No reverse, sorry.
No reverse. So how's the other one supposed to go in there?
Why's the other one different?
Yeah, this one's different, so it ain't gonna work. Cause I can't do nothing with this. Like what?
Like I can take out one of these bolts.
Yeah, but now what I look like? I'm gonna have 2 gas caps?
Ah, take that one out.
That's funny though, bro. I can't. You think I should just part ways with it like that? That sounds funny.
Then what are we doing here?
Just go like this, and you got gas. You know what I mean?
That's some bullshit.
That's funny. Look, you can even put it up here, like out the way, and take your gas cap off. Set it right here. You can put some gas in it.
How did it even break?
I was taking the bed off, and I forgot to take the gas cap off. So I was like, why is it bitch not fighting? So I just fucking jumped with it, John. I heard a crack and some bangs and shit.
Plastic is just broken, or?
This is supposed to be this gray shit.
Oh.
That's all supposed to be one thing.
So we can't just glue that? Could.
Maybe. Or you could just tuck it up in there and act like you never seen it.
Right, but now we have a new one. Should we test it before we undo anything? Man, this is some bullshit, huh?
Yeah. Where'd I put it? There it is. Oh, this joint ain't gonna work anyways. Huh? Maybe? This joint big as hell. Yeah, it don't even fit.
So how did it fit on the other one? So bust?
Yeah, this joint don't even fit. I was checking all that shit and I don't know, I didn't even have the option. I mean, I can kind of get it wedged in there, cross-threaded a little bit, and just do that, but then, so what, it just ain't gonna work?
It doesn't look like it's gonna work. Ah! Well, there you go. Junkyard finds, turn the Junkyard find.
Yeah. Well, there you go. At least we got some taillights. Fuck that gas cap, you need it?
Got some taillights. Got them installed. I mean, they don't look bad. They're pretty clean.
They're not horrible. The black looks a lot better with that green than that bright fucking faded red did.
Yeah.
At least.
So, especially with the black lettering.
Yeah. Black bumper. I mean, everything's black.
Yeah.
Except this. See, now I don't match this. What the fuck? Well, there you go. Job done.
So what's next on the Dakota? Give me a rundown.
I don't know. Sell it, get a new truck, something that works. I mean, I don't know. Maybe some new tint. That shit's rough.
Is this tent?
And go on the inside, you can show them the difference of what it used to be. No, I'm talking about like up here. See, that's what it used to be. It used to be dark. It used to be nice. It's 15%.
Oh, they didn't hear you that good.
And now it faded. But yeah, I'm thinking AC is next because I think I know how to fix it. Seems like it's just gonna be a vacuum line, but we don't know. I don't know where the vacuum line leads. I don't know where it's supposed to go, and I don't know where it went. So we'll keep you in the loop with that one.
Yeah, sorry you had to wait what, a year for the first Dakota vid?
It ain't been that long. It's been like 9 months.
We gave y'all the overview and kind of left y'all out to dry, but we finally got some.
It's the one guy. Shout out one guy.
We got the taillights. So give us an outro.
There you go. Well, it's been 2 random scrubs. I know this is a Dakota vid, but if you want some stuff for your Maverick, make sure you check out Refined Truck. And we got some new merch. Don't forget to. You gotta. This shit's fire. You gotta get it. We're getting some shit soon, so we'll have some samples. Yeah. Go get you some stuff.